If you've always wanted to create simple clean videos using your phone, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually edit video using CapCut as a complete beginner. Step 1. Install CapCut, open it and click New Project. Choose any video from your gallery. This is where your editing begins. Let's start with the basics. Split, cut your clip, delete to remove mistakes, speed, maybe you want it slow or fast, volume to adjust your sound, to increase the volume, either reduce the volume, and Canva, resize depending on the social media platform you want to post. These are the tools you use the most. Now, step 3, add text. So add clean text, click text, add text. Choose a simple font, adjust size and place it wherever you want. If you want subtitle, click auto caption, it will generate text automatically. You can also add your subtitle manually if you want. Step 4, add transitions. Click the small white box between clips. Choose the transition, fade or swipe. It's perfect for beginners. Any type of transition is perfect for beginners. Keep it simple, no need for every effect. Step 5, add music. So to add sound to your video, you tap on audio, then sound or extracted. And if you want to make voiceover, you tap on voiceover. So if you want to use audio from your screen recording or your previous video, you just extract and it's going to extract, or from other video that you see online, maybe you screen record the video because you want to use the audio, so you can easily extract that audio. And also make sure you adjust the volume to make it soft and aesthetic. If you are doing a voiceover and you want to add the music to the voiceover at the same time, make sure that your music do not cover your voice. You can add you can reduce the volume of the music to like 10 or 15. You get my point. Just do it in a way that you feel like it is okay as well. Make sure you listen to what you did before you post it online. The final step of your editing is to export. When you are done, you tap on export at the top right. Keep it on 1080p and 60 fps for the best quality on your phone. That is it. Follow for more easy phone tutorials and comments which editing style you want next. Love you. See you in the next one. And do not forget to like, comment and also share.